OBS virtual camera not showing up the solution. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Then go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Droid Cam or OBS camera on your device. Then what you can do is just make a long press on the application and then tap on App Info. After tapping on that, you'll be led to a new page where you can just tap on the clear all data option, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now if it's possible, you can delete all data, and if it's not, you can just clear cache. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all of the required options over here, such as the camera and microphone, so that you can properly use the application on your device, and then your problem might be solved. So you just have to go and check on the application on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.